So we now have imported hotdogs.txt, the data, into a data frame, and the data frame is an unnamed data frame. So the column vectors don't really have names. They have names, but the names were assigned by the program and don't really mean anything, but we know the meaning. So in the next exercise, first of all, let's have a look at the names again of hot dogs. So we can get those names out with the names function, v1, v2, v3. And what we like to do is we would like to rename the column vectors of hot dogs to type, calories, and sodium in this order, but without re-importing the file. So in the data camp assignment, there's a particular solution to this problem, which uses an attribute, col.names, if you remember. Let's see if I can make this a bit bigger. No. You see it down here. There's an attribute called col.names. So you can assign the names vector to this attribute col.names and then re-import the data frame using the read.table. But we already have the data frame, and all we want to do is reassign new values to these to this data frame. And the trick here, which you've seen a bunch of times, is to simply repurpose the names function and say names of hot dogs from now on shall be following vector. Namely C of type, calories, and sodium. This works. Let's check out the structure to see that it's actually different from what it was before. So, structure of hot dogs. And you see we have all three variables, type, calories, and sodium, instead of V1, V2, and V3.